Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix the heating while charging on your TCL 60 SE NXTpaper. So first, let's start off and make one thing clear. It's normal that your phone is heating a bit or even heating normally if you're charging your phone using fast charging. So it's completely normal, you shouldn't be worrying about it. You need to put the phone down and then come back when it's charged. Try not to use it, it's pretty normal. You can also check for background apps causing heat and high power consumption. So go over to show you the smart manager here. Go to battery and here you go to power consumption details. Now here you guys know which app actually takes a lot of percentage. So for me it's camera and the launcher. So now we can also try and use the original charger and cable. It should help with overheating the phone. So you can also try and avoid the phone while charging. So do not use your phone for gaming, watching Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, TikToks. Just don't use it at all. Only to, let's say, reply to your mom or your boss. Now all you guys can do is remove the case to improve heat dissipation. So as you guys can see, when we take off the case, the heat won't be trapped inside and it will simply be out of the phone. So you need to charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area. It's the best. So I guess that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.